welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial right here, I'm going to show you how to create engaging video ads. For those who are new to the online stuff and you're asking what ads mean, it actually means advert. So we're going to be creating video ads with just two tools. Number one, which is Canva, number two, which is Capcut. Right now, let me tell you the reality. It is much easier for a video to convert with videos than pictures. It's difficult for you to hear a picture that have gone viral, but it's easier for a video to go viral. So that is why it's always advisable, if you're running ads, please try to get videos that are engaging enough, that can engage your clients, that can engage your viewers for them to take the particular action that you want them to take. So we're in Canva now. So this is canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can just create an account on canva.com. So the first thing we're going to do today is that we're going to get a video. So doing that quickly, I can come over to create design. I can come over to videos. But let me come over to create design first of all. So when I come here, I can see this, okay? Then you just click on video, because we're going to be working with videos over here. So using these tools, it will enable us get our work done very fast. There are many tools that can do the same thing, but Canva makes your work much faster. Clearly, we can see our workspace here. So this is our workspace. This is the timeline. So we want to get a video first of all. So let's just find a video that we can work with. There are lots of them. So just pick something simple. So if you have the pro version of Canva, you're not restricted. You can pick any video you want to use. But in this case, let me see if I can just pick. If I can see a free template would be nice for those who want to use Canva for the first time. Okay. Let's see. So before you start going into this, you need to understand your niche. Please, first of all, know the niche you are running ads for. Okay, so in this tutorial, we'll just pretend we're a digital marketing agency and we're trying to get clients or people who are interested in promoting their business online. So let me see if I can search, if I can get videos like that. Let me just say digital and let's see. We can get something similar to that. Okay, this is actually a nice one, so we can use it. This is a pro version template. Okay, let me use this. So on your own, you can just explore and get the one that goes well with you. This actually looks good too, but let me just use this for the sake of this. On your own, you can do your experimentation and so. First of all, know that I had some video resources I got outside Canva. Well, you can get some video resources in here. You can just go to Element and search. When you click on Element, you can search for any resources you want here. But I've got some of my video resources here on pixels.com. So you can come to pixels.com, then you search for your videos that you download. Okay, that being said, let me come back. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. So let me first of all work with this. So when you're running an ad, there are some things you need to establish. Number one thing you need to establish the problem. Okay, so what are the problems of the people? So that's the first thing you establish. So over here, we can deduce from this. From the people we want to get across, the people we are trying to get, majority of them have problem with their business. So it's always very good for us to communicate that to them. Let the problem be established first of all before you start. You don't just come and say, oh, we do this, we do that, come and patronize us. No, you need to connect with them emotionally. So over here, we want to establish the problem. So let me just pick a phrase. So I will say, are you struggling to reach new customers and grow your business? So this is the This is what I call a problem agitation. So let me just quickly say, let's put to the writer and say, are you struggling to reach okay, so I'm going to use this. I want to make use of both sections of the text. So I'll use this for the first line and this for the second line, so that I just maximize space. So to adjust this, if it's too much, if everything is clustered in one area, you can drag it to make it expand, but I don't want to do that. So let me just leave it this way. Say, are you struggling? Okay, this G has gone to the next line, so I'll just drag it so the G comes back on. Are you struggling to reach? Then let me just use this just for the sake of this. Are you struggling to reach new customers? Okay. Sorry, new customers. Okay, customers and grow your business. Customers and grow business. Okay. So this is what I'm just picking just for the sake of this. So if I want to make it bigger, I'll just have to drag it and expand it to make it bigger. Okay, let me make this a bit smaller. Well, you don't have to do it this way. I'm just trying to maximize the space, and I'm just trying to use variety here. So let me work with this. So let me just address this and say, are you struggling to reach new customer? I want to put them on the same line. Then I want to cluster this a bit. Well, it's not the best, but you get the point. So I'll delete this. Okay, I want to get rid of this image. I don't need it, so I'll say delete the entire frame. Means it deletes both the image and also the frame. So I delete the entire frame, and that's good for me. So are you struggling to reach new customers and grow a business? So there should be a question mark there. One of the best ways to start a sales page is to ask questions. Okay, either you ask, sorry, I don't know why this keep happening. You ask questions, or you tell a story that people can relate with. Okay, let me drag this and see. Okay, fine. So now I've edited the text. So the next thing I need to do now is to edit this. Okay, so I'll click on this. I want to get a new video. So to get this video, I'll click on uploads here. Then I can click here also to upload the video. I can click upload here also to find the video. I think I have the video somewhere on my desktop. If I can't find it on my desktop, I'll use the one I have already in there. So I can go to my video section. I really don't know why I kept this video. Okay. Let me use it. So in case you want to upload the video, just come over here, click on the video you want to upload, and click open. That's pretty much straightforward. So, but in this case, I have the video already here. So I'll just come over here and click video. Okay, so these are the videos already. I already uploaded it here just to make it faster. So in this particular one, I'm going to take the first one, the video of somebody looking frustrated, and I'll drag it to this part here, and you see, before I remove my hand, I'll make sure that the man is or the video is displaying in that particular area I want it to appear inside the shape. Okay, so I raise my hand. So this is it. So the video is there already. So I've already made my first slide here. So I'll click to do the same thing for the second one. I can click add if I want to give a different slide, but this time I want to make my work much faster. So I'll just duplicate. I right click and click duplicate page. So then I can go to the next page here and do the same thing and change the text for it. So now I've established a problem. I say, are you struggling to reach new customers and grow a business? Well, okay, so that's it. Then then I can come to the next one, and I can go a bit further to bring the solution, because the first one I establish a problem, next one I can say, okay, I can talk a bit about the solution. Like I say, our digital marketing style, we can help from Facebook ads and so. These people, they don't really have time to be looking details of your ads, so you don't put too much information on the video itself, unless it's necessary, maybe the kind of people you are pushing your ads to. Most people who don't know you, they don't really care about, in fact, they want you to just get to the point and tell them what you have to offer. No time to start telling stories. Okay, so that's why I go straight to the point now. So over here, so this is the first slide, this is the second one on the timeline. So this is one we're editing. So I'll click here quickly, and I'll just talk about the solution because of time. I'll say the digital marketing service. So digital marketing service can help. Okay, I'll use one at the bottom to complete it. So you see, I'm trying to communicate to the one at the bottom. I'm having issues. Sometimes it can happen like that. Okay, because this one is at the front, at the back. Sometimes in case it happens like that, you're trying to communicate with this, you can just do something like this. To select, you can right click, then go to layers, then go to show layers. Then you can now see the layers of everything you're working with. So if I want to communicate with this other smaller letters at the bottom, I can say click on it, then I can type what I want to type, just in case, so you know that. Okay, so we have established a problem and we're talking about the solution. So I say we can help, then I can talk a bit about what to do. I can say we offer Facebook ads. We offer Facebook ads. You can say we offer Facebook ads. Facebook ads. I know this competing with other text. Let me bring it down. So offer Facebook ads. What other ads? Facebook ads, Google ads, and web design. No, let me put ad and we make it look as if that's all we do. So I can say web design, etc. Or sometimes you might not necessarily even see all this. Okay, let's give them a bit of a suspense. So let me get rid of this, but I just feel so. So I can click on this, then to delete it I can right click. What's happening? Let me do it again second time. This time I right click on it, and then I come to delete. Digital marketing service can help. So I'm giving them a little bit of suspense here. So they're like, oh, what can I do? So they want to inquire to know. So I'll come over here and I'll also duplicate. Okay, let me duplicate this. Let me duplicate this one. Duplicate. So this one it's supposed to be this, then this. You understand? This particular one, this one I duplicated, so I want to take it over to the next place. So I can drag it and bring it here. So this is how it is. This, are you struggling? This, are you no, something's wrong. Are you struggling? It's repeating itself. I need to bring it back here. This one needs to come backward, so I'm rearranging it. Okay, let me see. Okay, okay, so that's it. This one comes first. Are you struggling? Then the next one is our digital marketing service. Okay, there's something we skip. We didn't put our image here. I don't want the same video to be here. So what I will do quickly is that I'll just change the video here. So to do that, I can just come to upload. Then I can pick this. People are always emotionally attached to visual. So this is very much okay. Then I'll go to the third slide. Okay, so this is the third slide. Then we have established the problem, we have given the solution. Then the last thing, the next thing we're going to do, in fact, then we'll talk about the benefits. Okay, that's the third thing, not the last. Like I say, increase brand awareness, drive leads, and boost sales with our expert solution. Okay, so let's do that. I can say increase, let me type, I can say increase brand awareness, I can say increase brand awareness, drive leads, sorry, what do I keep, drive leads, and boost sales with our expert. Okay, drive leads and boost sales. Okay, let me use that, and then let me see if I can adjust the text. It's colliding with almost everything. Then I'll expand it to make it, yes, I'll expand it a bit. And this one, let me see, let me use it, let me see over here, let me say drive leads, boost sales. Let me just say with our expert solution, or with our expertise. Let me say expertise. Okay, so let me make good use of the space. So I'll just drag this down, and this one, I'll pull this, and then drag this. Okay, let me do it this way. With our expertise, I think this is fine. Then the next one I want to use, I'll use this. Let me use this globe. I'll drag it here. So increase brand awareness, drive leads, and boost sales with our expertise. I don't know. This stuff is looking scary. Let me see if I can adjust the globe so I can double click on it. It will give me a broader view. Then I can now adjust the video. As you can see, I can adjust it. I want the edges of my X be showing. So I just put the globe there to indicate that no, we are global. Online is like a global market, so that's why I just choose that. You can use anything to represent that, so this is just my pick anyway. So that's fine. So when I'm done, I just click, I can click done, or I click on it again. So then this 3 slides, then we want to use the last slide, then I want to create a last slide. And this last slide, I can click here and duplicate again. And this time, this last slide will be a call to action. So I will say duplicate. Sorry. So this is the last one. Then now this last part is call to action, means we're actually telling you to take action. Then I can say get started and take your business to the next level, something like that. Let's see. Let's say get started and take okay, let me get rid of this. Get started and take your business to the next level. Let me put exclamation, means I'm shouting it. Get started and take your business to the next level. So I guess I'm done here, but let me add my video here to finalize everything. So I need to put the video of someone that is happy. Yes. So take a video to the next one, just as this guy. You see how excited he looks, is happy because business has gone to the next level. So those are kind of emotions we're trying to get across. So let me just play everything. I can click this to play everything to see how it looks like. So let's do it. So as you can see, this is just it. It's looking so this is just a simple way of doing this. Okay, so as you can see, there's no sound and the rest. So what I want to do, I want to use a video editing tool to actually add my sound. So use something called Capcut. So to actually export this, I click share. Then I'll come over to download. I'll click on download. And then I'll click on download again. So it's asking here, select all pages, download pages as separate files. You can do this if you like. I think this is for pro version. So let me just put all pages together. So we'll just wait for the download to be finished, and then while this is still happening, we will get our cap. So we're going to be using CapCut to do much of the video editing. So if you don't have CapCut, you can just come to Google and say CapCut. So what we want to add in CapCut basically is the sound. Okay, I just want to add my sound. I use CapCut to add my sound, or I can use a voiceover. For those who want to use voiceover, you can use some AI to create voiceover like 11 Labs and the rest of it. I just create voiceover for it, or you can use your voice. Okay, I like being original, so you can use your voice to create it. Sometimes when you use AI to do that, people could tell it's AI you're using. Though some people don't really care if you say AI or not, they're just interested in the message you're passing. Okay, so this is our Canva workspace now. Sorry, so this is our CapCut workspace. So this is CapCut. CapCut is a video editing tool, very user friendly. Okay, very easy to use, user friendly, and we're going to import our videos right here. The one we exported, we'll bring it here, then we'll edit it. It's very simple. So I'll just click on create a new project here. Okay, so this is the main user interface of CapCut. So very simple. I want to import a video. So let me import the video. I'll click here to import. Then I'll look for the video, most likely in the download folder. So this will be it. So I click on it to import it. So that's simple. So this is the video. If I play, you see it. There's no sound, just simple video. Now, cool. Okay, so that's that. Let me pause. Now I want to drag it to the timeline here because this is where I'll do the main editing. So I'll click on it, then I'll drag it down here. Okay, so this is, we're not just going to do much. We're just adding a sound and all just a spot. But me, I feel it's a bit too long, so I can click here quickly and quickly do something. I can see if I can scale the video. Before I do that, let me see. I can come over to speed, and if I want it to be much faster. So when you click here, it will tell you you see the duration, and you see the speed control here. So if I want it to be faster, I can just make it faster. As you can see, it's shorter than the way it is. So if I play it, it goes a bit faster. For starting from the beginning, it goes a bit faster. Now I keep saying it now. Every tool you use, you don't need to know 100% how to use it 100%. You don't need to know 100% of that tool to use it. So just pick the part that solves the particular problem for you as at that time. In this case, I'm not going to be doing much. So if I say I want to add a sound, it's just simple. If you understand English, it's not going to be a problem. You just click on audio up here. When you click on audio, what happens is that when you click on audio, what you see happens is that it brings you different audios inside. So I can decide to pick another motivational. Okay, let me see if it's something. This is a motivational, but pretty sure how this works. I need something that let me also download something. So that's the one. Okay. So then I'll drag this. Okay, I made a mistake. Look at this. Make sure you drag it down. So that's just all. Then I make sure they are on the same line. Okay, I want it to be on the same line. Then I want to cut this. Make sure you click on this audio to split. It's going to cut it from the right hand side. It's going to cut. That is indicating. I see some part is visible, the other part is not visible very well. So that's what this is. When I click this out, it's going to cut the end. So just this. So when you're done, let me come over and see. So this struggling to reach out. So that is it. So this is the volume and fade out and all those basic transition fade out. Let me if I can fade out. This case for some like I can do this. We do the same thing for the video. Different animation. After that, I think it's fine the way it is. And I will just click export. So that was it. You click export, then you export to your entire video. Then you use it for your Facebook ads, your Google ads, and the rest of it. So with this basic, you can actually be creative. This is the file in which is going to be exported to. You make sure you sort it out, put a nice name, then you click. So it's that easy. That's it. You know how to say you're done.